So home was ready. Next one more was this file called service, contact, and then product. Taking time to go. Okay, so if you scroll up, you can see here if you are scrolling up, this navigation is getting high. Okay, because we are not applying the fixed stop navigation. Fixed stop class we are not added. So you can go here in home file first. Complete the home file. Home file, home or template one? Template one. Template one is the home file. Under the template one file, you can apply a class called fixed top. Fixed fixed hyphen top. Apply a class in the last called fixed top. Fixed top class. Now you check. Contact number will not show. Contact number what we have on the top, it will not show now. As it is showing, it will not show. Because the navigation will start completely from the first line and that will get hide. Okay, it will not show. So we have next solution. The same class, fixed top class, same fixed top class, you copy from here and apply for this one, the upper one. The upper one here. Fixed hyphen top. Fixed hyphen top. Right? So that fixed top how it is. Both the places we apply fixed top and fixed top. Okay, still that is not visible. No problem. You can go here in the nav class. The nav class we have written. So first fixed top, we apply both the places. Now in the second one you apply empty 3 margin top 16 pixel. Empty 3 margin top 16 pixel. Cooperary. Some space got apply on the top, but 16 pixel is not sufficient. You have to give more. Let me give 5, empty 5. Is more. Then what we will do is the P2 you have written P2. This one let it be empty 5. Okay, empty 5 let it be here. And here P2 you can convert into P3. P2 convert into P3. This P2 convert into P3 and here put a empty 5. Okay now? Both are fixed on the top. This is little down. It is not exact in center. Sequence. Fixed top we applied here. P3 also we applied. After that, here we apply MT5. Now your navigation becomes a fixed navigation. Navigation becomes a complete fixed navigation with a contact number and everything. Both will be fixed on the top. But the problem is, you can see this banner, half banner is visible. Half banner is hiding inside the menus. So for that, we will do something. Please modify this many lines. First, fixed top. After that, MT5 and here convert into P-3. P-3. Now you are using CSS. No? This is CSS only. This is CSS itself. If you want to write our own CSS, we can create a file and call here. One more file. Which program? Bootstrap CSS. CSS classes we are calling from that Bootstrap CSS file. You want to write your own class. You can create it here, right? If you want to write internal, you can open the style here and close the style and you can write here also. Okay, suppose we are written here P3. P3 is not fitting properly. See, it's not fitting properly. There is some gap. So P3, how much it will give the gap? P3 will give gap how much? 16 pixel. Okay. So we'll give something else. Like suppose I'll write here call class called my padding. My padding, under the my padding we'll write a class called padding colon not 16. I'll give somewhere 14 or 13 pixel. Okay, and after that, instead of calling P3, we can call this class. Which class? My padding. Busy light is from Bootstrap. Fixed top is also from Bootstrap, and my padding is our own class. So this will give gap how much? 13 pixel. Let me show you here. It is coming in the middle little. Some more. Let me give somewhere 10. 10 should fit. Okay, 10 in place. Well, perfect. In the middle, from top, bottom, everywhere. So if Bootstrap classes is not supporting, we can write our own class and we can call here. All options are there. BG Lite you have written. In case if you want some other class, let me go here. Write a class called MyBG background purple. So what will happen now? This MyBG I will call here. Instead of BG Lite, I will call here call MyBG. So background will come as a purple color and text we can convert into white color. Text primary we have given. So we can write here text as a white, text white, both the places. Let me show you it's work or not. Then you can write. And what is coming? Text white. This way we can write our own CSS. Here we have written directly in this file. Instead of writing here, create a separate CSS file. My class, mypage.css. Add there and call link here. Wherever we want modify. If using Bootstrap class, if you are not able to get exact requirement, you can write our own and call here. You can create a separate CSS file or in bootstrap.css file also you can write in the last end of the page. Okay. So add this, it will be customized for you. This one and this one, my BG, and here which one, my BG, and then padding, my padding. Apply these two classes. Mhm.
Some of the program should do something. Can you do the list of
This all are here in example folder. Here go then. You want create footer, footer is there, header, header is there. Okay, list group is there, model is there. Navigation, there is a 2-3 folder. If you want to create the sidebar left side, there is a sidebar folder. Everywhere HTML code is there. We can take and we can add it. Dashboard, if you want to design, here is the folder. Okay, so we can go to the dashboard, take the HTML and CSS, JavaScript also, and all add together in your project folder if you want. For that purpose, on the example folder, I copied and pasted separate. So it should not be much difficult to vary that. So in example of
some of them drop-ins is there also. You don't know what is drop-ins.
open and implement it, go and copy the code and paste into this kind of create a page and paste here and then see what is coming. We have to become there is nothing like this, no written notes, this is here, this is here. We need to implement and then see. Okay. For that purpose, only I was giving the assignment. No? Try this, you will face problem, then you will find solution. Okay, add this now also, at least add this much. You will come to know how to customize the bootstrap. Divide. Go ahead then. Hope this is ready. After that, so anyone is writing or completed, you can let me know. I'll move next. This is the CSS block, and here we have written the CSS. Navigation color, if you see, background is the black color here. You have called the class. You can see under the nav bar bg dark. Can you see this class? Bg hyphen dark. Correct. If I change here bg black, let's see which color is coming. Bg black. It should become full black if the class is exist. See, become full black. BG black become complete black color. BG dark was little less color, less black. BG black become a complete black. In case BG black we don't want, BG success you want to clear green color. If you want to put a orange yellow color, primary color, all colors are there. Whichever the color we want, we can call that. Okay, next go ahead. So this much you need to add in all the pages. So if you go to the header, this file, in this file is still different color. Only home file is changed. Product file, if you go, is still different color. So if you want to apply everywhere, then this much of CSS till here you can copy and paste in all the pages. Replace in all the pages this much of section. So in all the pages, it will change the color combination, background, navigation, text or 3-4 pages. We have product, contact, service file. Copy this much and replace in all the pages. Product also. This many. Header navigation till here to there. You can copy this much and replace in all the pages. Product and template 2 is ready. Remaining which file is there? Remaining file is called contact and service. In both the files we can replace it. So till here I can replace. Correct. Next file service also. We can replace this much. Everywhere you will have the purple and background different. Purple and background is a different. Hope ready all the pages. Next, we have to understand how to mix all the classes. SM, XL, LG, MD, multiple classes are there. So how to mix all the classes? Okay. Next example. Yes, madam. Tell me. Yes, yes. Yeah. Mhm. Yeah. Yeah. Mhm. We have. You are looking for fresher hiring. We have only freshers. Angular not both combination. Yeah. I will send you my email ID, company email ID. On that, you can send the job description, JD. We will send you the list of candidates after. Any term condition is there? Hmm. Okay, so training like how it is the paid training or free training or how you? Hmm. So it will be based on any payment or free? No problem. I will share you the email ID. Please send at least anything, maybe about your company also few lines, address of your company, what are the skills you require. Based on that, we'll filter the details and we'll send you the list of candidates. I will text you the email ID. Okay, ready? Next, after that, so this file is ready. Next file we are going to create another file to understand how to mix all the classes. For extra small, large, medium, and everything. So you create a next file responsive.html. 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 In that, bootstrap line is required. Till here it's compulsory. So we can take the bootstrap file only. Icon you can take. JavaScript is not needed in that. Icon you can keep. Sometime if you need to display the icon, you can use that. Okay, follow the container. Class equal to container. Inside the container empty, you can follow 3, 4. Some space will get applied from top. Division class as row. Division call hyphen lg hyphen 12. That's 3. Bootstrap responsive design. So it is for call lg 12. Right here, call hyphen xl hyphen 12. For extra large also full width, large also full width, call hyphen md also 12, call hyphen sm also 12, and call hyphen also 12. Like for all the devices, we are saying whether it is extra large, large, small, medium, or very small, you cover how much? Full width. That is called call LG 12. Everywhere we wrote as a 12. Yes, in all device it will take 12. In all device it will take 12. In the medium you have a class called 12. In MDE we have a class called 12. SM also we have a class called 12. Extra small, extra small, mobile phone. Call 12 is for the extra small. That is called mobile phone. Okay, ready? After this, so one row is over. Now you can write here call row and write another row. Empty 4. Inside this row, division call hyphen xl hyphen 2. In extra large, it should be 2. That represent it is going to get generate 6 blocks, 6 column. Call hyphen lg should be 3. So in large it will be 4 blocks. Call hyphen MD 4. So in medium size it will be how many blocks? 4 blocks. 3 blocks. Okay. Call hyphen SM 6 and call hyphen 1 as a 12. See, in each device, now the column is different and display inside img src 1 dot class img hyphen. Written. Now write again in the last MB3, margin bottom 3 for a spacing purpose. You can write here to end. Okay. So it will take the empty apply, empty. Margin top 3. T will give a space all side, but we want empty. Margin all the side. Write it right first. You will get to know. So call LG2, call XL2, call XL2, 4, call XL3, call XL4, 5, and then 6. So Excel point of view, if you look, Excel point of view, if you look, it should repeat 6 times. Excel point of view, we have to see, and it is going to repeat total how many times? 6 times. 2, 2, 2, and 2. Reads there. See what is happening. Call XL2, call XL2, call XL2. So in extra large device, total 6 column it is going to generate. Total 6 photo it is going to display in one line. Okay, because we are given call XL2. Written how many times? 6 times. Call XL2. Call XL2, call XL2 how many times? 6 times. 12 will happen. So in extra large, how many column it will generate? 6 column. Now look next. Call LG, what you have written? 3 you have written. Huh? No need to remove. Okay. So call LG3. So in call LG3. So in large device, it is going to make total 4 column in one line. Remaining 2 will go to the new line. Okay. Look for the MD. In MD, what you are given? Call MD, how much? 4. So how many block will come in one line?
Top three, one.
Top 3 will come in one line. Next 3 will go to the new line. Call SM. Call SM6. That meaning 2 in one line, 2 in the one line. So how many rows it will generate? 3 line. If you see row is only one, but it will get printed in the new line. Next, another one is call 12. So in extra small mobile phone, in one line, one will come, remaining will go to the new line. So now it will capture all the devices. See, run the page and see how that look. So hope you have written. Let us check now. If I run this file, see, my is running. Check in your machine. How many blocks in one line? 4 or 6? No, in your computer I'm talking. In your computer there should be
This is not a restaurant.
Okay, so in your computer it is showing total 6 photos. In my computer it is showing total 4 photos. Because my monitor is running as of now in MD size. MD size, not MG, LG size. Look at here. In LG, how many will come? Read properly. In LG 3333, how many times? 4 times. Okay, in LG 333 will come 4 times. Right? Huh? 4. Okay, 333 will come 4 times. So see here, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So how many happen? This become in my computer become as a LG size. Your computer is using XL, extra large. In extra large, how many is coming? 6 is coming. So that meaning our page become in such a way it is working in the large size also, and it is working in the medium, sorry, extra large also. Now let's reduce together. Reduce the window size, something like this. Okay. Change this one like this. See. Now how many happen? 3 happen. So that meaning 3 happen. That meaning it is saying in one line how many? 3. So which device is it? MD. MD. If you go little small, MD. See, it will come to the C. Now how many happen? Which device? SM. In SM we are given 6 and 6. Look at here. In SM we are given how many? 6 and 6. SM 6 is there. Right? Next after that. Next after this. Let me reduce little small. If I go very small, this become which one now? See, this become as a extra small. That is called mobile. So now it is going to work for all the devices. Large, extra large, medium, SM, and extra small. So when you create the page, you should not follow only LG. We have to follow all the devices. We have to follow all the devices. Yes, all devices. Okay. Hello. Yes. Hello. हाँ. कितना पे? हाँ. ठीक है. क्या करना है बोलिए? ठीक है, अभी कोई रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. Okay. Okay. Ready? Next, after that, so this row you leave it. Okay. Come for the next row. You can write a comment here. Row end. Row end. Okay. Go ahead next. Create a division. Class equal to row. Row. MT4.
So if you write more comments, it takes more space.
Hmm?
If you take more comments, it's will increase.
More
If you write more comments for every comment,
comment will not be considered. It's like a text only, but when the file will load, it is not going to read by browser. Browser will ignore that line. File size may increase or not, that I don't know. Okay, but it should not increase the file
by
size.
loading, it will not take much time.
Okay, create next row, division, class equal to call hyphen excel hyphen 3 and call excel 9. 3 and 9. Hmm? Which they will give the photo. They'll say in mobile the page should look like this. Photo they'll give. Okay. In laptop they'll give photo. This should look like in the laptop. In the tab should look like this. Now we have to see the photo and we need to count. Okay. In mobile how many columns are coming? In laptop how many columns are coming? In the desktop how many columns are coming? That way we need to utilize that 12 classes we have. We have to do plus minus and after that calculate and display the content. Suppose if you say in mobile phone, see if suppose the company says in mobile phone look like this. In mobile phone look like this. So what you will understand? You will understand it's calling full width, then call it 12. In case same time, if the photo, another photo will be there, that photo say like in a small device or tab, it should look like this. In tab, it should look like. So what you will follow? You will follow the not call LG6 here, call SM6 in a small device. Okay, look here. This is now become as a which device? Medium device. Hmm? Ah. Hmm? Okay, ready? See now. So device wise, you can arrange now easily. Come, let's see the last row, second row. Okay. Now in the extra large there should be 39, but inside the LG, call hyphen LG hyphen should be 4 or maybe 5 you can do. Call hyphen LG hyphen 7. Okay, 7 5 combination. Come down. Now, main road. हाँ, सेंथिल बुलाया था विलियम पिक को, फोन किया था तो वो आया साफ करने के लिए। क्या बोल रहा है कि 2 महीने का हमको टाइम दे दीजिए। अभी अभी हम मेन रोड साफ करवा दिए हैं मेन वाला। 2 महीने हम नहीं है यहाँ पे, तो 2 महीना मेरा पानी उधर से जाने दीजिए। सब थोड़ा ऑपरेशन हुआ है किसी का, तो 2 महीने में ठीक हो जा रहा है। हम आ रहे हैं तो हम अपना दूसरे जगह से कनेक्शन करवाएं। बोले कि ठीक है, टाइम ले लो अपना, ले लीजिए, जब जाम होगा तो साफ करवाओ। Okay, hope ready. Now let's go next. So see what will happen. In extra large, how much? 39. In LG, how much? 57. Another one in MD, 6. It should not be 6 and 7. If 6 7, then how much will happen? Look at here. 6 and 7, if we write, then 13. It will go to the new line. Here 5 7 we have written. So it should be maximum how much? 12 only. So you have to consider accordingly. Now call hyphen sm hyphen 12 and call hyphen 12. So in a small device also it should be how much? Full width, and in extra small also it should be how much? Full width. And then you will follow MB3, and here also follow the MB3.
For smaller
Where
class.
for a small is 12, for extra small also 12.
Why would you do second class also the same?
After 12, how much it will be here? One will cover full width, second will cover how much? Full width only. Here is which is covering full width, this also should cover the full width.
If you not mention in the second, not mention, will not make default.
It will not take default, this will be wrong. It will not be responsive. Go inside the 3. Follow the P, write class equal to GG hyphen primary and P3, and put inside the text one paragraph. VG primary text white. Rounded also you apply here, and MB apply 3. Okay, written, copy the same paragraph, paste again. VG success you can change. VG success. Mhm. How to give? You have to calculate total. See, I given here 3, remaining how many? 9. I given here. Here I given how much? 5. Then we given as 7. It's your wish. How many column you want to create? Your wish. But don't exceed by how much? 12. Look at here. LG I given 3. I cannot write here 10. You can write maximum 9. Okay. Next here we wrote call LG 5. Then remaining is how much? 7. So we written it here as 7 only. Within the same class, it should not exceed by 12. See, which class? Suppose if you are talking about LG. So if we exceed by 12, what will happen? It will go to the new line. So LG, if I follow 5, then I follow next as a 7. Here I follow Excel as a 3, then remaining is how much? 9. Then all it will fit in one line. Look at here. If you have given for call SM, if you given 12, now there is no space. For call SM, suppose if you given 12, how many total column? 12. So 12 is occupied already. Now remaining is how much? Remaining is nothing. If you want to create one more, then give one more. How much? 12. So this will be in one line. The 3 will be in this block will be in one line, and this will go to the next line. In which device? A small device. Ah, here, suppose there is one is called call 12. Mobile phone, how much? Full width. Now, if the full width cover, then where you will print next? Next, you have to print in the new line. So for that, next again you have to give how much? 12. Okay, so this is your right here. So 3 is over. You have to see the design and then you have to write it. It's called prototype design. Company will give you photos. You have to see that and accordingly you need to write. 3 and check properly. 3 where you wrote. This paragraph will go to the new line. Paragraph will not print in the same line. Where it is printing. Same line or new line? New line it will go. Within the 9, there is a 2 paragraph. So first paragraph will be first line, second paragraph will be the second line. Here and so you. First paragraph one line, second paragraph is a new line. But within the first block only, not in the next block. Okay. Now come to the 9. Check this. 3 is completed. Now come to the next block. That is called 9. Inside the 9, first write a comment here. 9 and under the 9, you follow again division, write class equal to MB3, BG Lite, P3, padding 3. Next, we follow inside one icon, FA icon, desktop, FA icon, forex, FA icon, pull icon, left, pull left. After that, write a paragraph and display some content in that. Write this block 1 end, block 1 end. IX, 4x to increase the font size. Icon font size will get increased. Ready? Check now. Within the right side, desktop and text is coming. Pull left we are given, so that text is coming left side and text icon is left side and text is going to the right side. This is in one container, one division. Now this same division we have to copy. If one division is ready, MB3 are given, you can write MB4. MB4. This division you can copy. Paste after that again. Okay, BG Lite only. Desktop change to search. FA search. Okay, got two icons. See now, two icon is coming. Let's add one, two more. But this is under the right side block. Add here something. Suitcase. Okay, then I can something users. You can implement. Why confusion? College, the company is going to give the photos. No, suppose example. If I show you this photo, you know, suppose someone is giving you some task and that look like this. Assignment folder if I go, suppose this photo if I take. In between, can you understand the difference? The first one can be 3, last one can be 3, middle one can be 6. Hmm? Now suppose if I go to the next photo, see, in one line how many? 4. Next line again 4. Maybe this is the for the large screen. Maybe another photo will be there, little small screen in that admission and payment in one line and examination and activity in the next line. So we will not understand that it's okay. In LG 4 will come and in SM2 will come and in extra small only one will come. If in mobile phone someone will open admission first line, payment next line, examination third line, activity fourth line. So that is not big difficult task. Okay. According to given photo, you can think and you can write it. Okay. Check now. So we are getting something like this. 4 icons, 4 blocks. Okay. See now. This is completely full responsive. Let us check now how it is going to happen. So when we are in the large device, something like this. If I go to the MD device, see this happen in the first block. In MD, how much you are given? This is SM. This is for me as a SM. Look at here. In SM, what you are given? In SM, you are given? No, in MD, I have given as a 6. And here as a 6. So see, when it's come to the MD, this is not MD as of now. It's covering how much? Full width. So this becomes a SM. In SM, we have given as a 12. You can see here. SM 12, right? And here also SM as a 12. And extra small also is how much? 12. Let me go very small. Will remain same. Look at here. Remain same. In extra small and a small, look is same. But when I move little up, when I go to the LG size, when I come to the LG size here, LG size, you can see, not LG. This look like which one? MD. Yeah, MD is the 6 and 6. Look at here. In MD, it is covering half left side and half in the right hand side. If I go little bigger as a LG, the first will become 5 and second will become as a 7. See, this become as a now 5 and 7. Let me increase little more. This become as a 5 and 7. 5, 7. This is 5, 7 now. 5 is the left side, 7 is right side. If you go for the your this device, which device? Extra large. Suppose I went now in the extra large. Extra large. So what happen is this become as a 3 and this become as a 9. So it is fitting in all the devices. So when you are going to create the page, then every time it will not be manually you can design anything. Okay, number one, the graphics designer will design the photo and they will give you in the PSD format, Photoshop format, or maybe JPG, PNG format they'll give you. You have to look at photos, and according to photo you have to design the tickets. Okay, there maybe you have to use the Bootstrap, may not have to use the Bootstrap. If you are using the Bootstrap, then this all the classes you have to remember. All the classes we need to use. Okay, one class, only based on one class, your page will be for only one type of device. It will not be suitable in all type of devices. So we have to remember it. Okay. 12 photos I have given. Anything happen on that? 12 photos given, 11 photos. Assignment I have given, all completed. Then how? Then you will say, I'm not able to understand. How you will understand if you are not doing physics? Okay. How many people created that 11 pages? Created. Okay. Anyone else? This 11 page photo I have given you. This photo we have given you. Why you given? Because you have spent the time to understand the form, navigation here, there. If you design these photos, then it will be practice for you. Else within a week you will forget everything. See, learning will take long time, but forgetting will take very less time. If it, today what you implemented, if you will not revise, tomorrow you will forget, sure. It will not be available with you. Okay. So make sure, which one? Implementation is required. Okay. The assignment is nothing but the implementation. See, two people replied from there. Other have not replied. They feel like Bootstrap is useless. Hmm? More? I have many photos. There was a 3 days holiday, 3 4 days, right? In that you created 2 3 pages. That is no meaning at all. Okay, 2 3 pages to create. What is the benefit? I will share you some more photos. Log in the job. Hmm. Also large also. Large. Okay, so in this folder, assignment folder, I'm sending you how many photos? 246 photos. Mhm. Okay. Yeah. Which profile is it? Kotlin is not madam. Kotlin profile is not there. Mobile app, mobile app in any of the platform we don't have it. We have some picture profiles that we can. Mhm. No, it's a free of cost one. You can send an email to us. I will send you the email ID. I will text you the email ID. On that email ID, you can send the JD. And based on that filter, whichever the profiles we have, we'll send you. Not sure, we need to check with them. Mhm. Sierra, my name is Sierra. You will be writing the email to Kirtana. Kirtana will reply. Now, this is the photos. You can try that photos. Okay. In these photos, you will not have very difficulties. These two are forms only. One is the table, something. One other is the something related to icons. This is also icons. This is one complex photo from our website. This is one little complex photo from our website. This is complete a screenshot of InfoCampus website. So try designing this. Okay. This is the navigation, something. You have to do a lot of R&D. Can do only LG. If LG is ready, then you can try it. Okay. Okay. We'll see tomorrow. Tomorrow you need to download and install following editors. VS Code. VS Code editor is required, and then Node.js is required. Both you download and install. VS Code editor and Node.js. Both should be installed before joining the class. VS Code editor and Node.js. Node.js you can install.